What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be riding the foiler once again. This bad boy right here. We're gonna be riding it today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, just like I hope you guys enjoyed the video just like you did last video if you even watched it. All right. Here. What was that? Oh my god, guys. I am so cold right now. I thought this hoodie would work because I just got it out of the dryer, but holy crap. It is way too cold out here. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my house and I'm gonna find some like jackets to wear because it's like really freaking cold out here. And hopefully we can get back to the video. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go find some like jackets to wear because it's really freaking cold out here and I don't want to deal with the coldness anymore. One of my neighbors are staring at me like I'm weird. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I just put on like 5 jackets under the hoodie I was wearing. So hopefully this time I don't get as cold. I know you can't really see the 5 hoodies, but anyway, let's go ahead and keep riding the foiler. Alright guys, so the hoodies are actually starting to work a little bit better. However, my hands, I don't know if you can see it that well on the camera, but they are turning purple. They are definitely turning purple. Also, there's people having church right now, so I won't be able to really ride in a lot of places, but I will try to go across the road, though. I will do that, because that's not where church is. Anyway, it's It's starting to kind of rain a little bit, so hopefully this video, hopefully I don't get soaking wet, which I probably will. I don't even know why I said that, because it's going to start raining anyways. Anyway, let's go ahead and start rodding again. That is a nice car. That was a very nice car. Very, very nice cars over here. Yeah, these are some nice cars. That's my grandmother's car, for the record. Nah, we're good. I'm so cold. Okay, my hands are definitely turning purple. Like, no joke. Anyway, guys, while it's raining right now, I just want to let you know, I gotta tell you something. So, you see this little gate behind me, that hunting club? Well, I'm thinking, in there. Yeah, I'm gonna be making a video of me riding in there. Because I don't know if you guys have been in there before or not, but there's a lot of places to ride, including a hill. And I might make a video of me doing that. But unfortunately, I might not go up the hill because I am just holding a phone recording instead of having a GoPro strapped up to a helmet, which I don't even have a helmet on because, you know, please don't get mad at me. Yeah. I can't really speak right now. Okay, what I'm really trying to say is I won't be able to ride on the hills because unfortunately I don't have a camera that can strap up to my helmet, or I don't have a thingy that I can strap my phone camera to because, you know, I don't really use GoPros anymore because last time, remember the Sam-I-Ham 8296 videos? the gaming videos. Even if I don't make gaming videos, I still cannot, like, it's so hard to add it on YouTube. So I found out the easiest way to make YouTube videos is on a phone. I think there's a truck coming behind me. I should probably start riding again. Anyway, everything I said earlier, like a couple of seconds, don't listen to me. I couldn't speak. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here because I think there's a truck coming. Whoa! Bumpy. Oh no, I gotta turn around. I forgot they're having church. Shoot. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm soaking wet. My hands are cold. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I will make more videos. Look at me, I'm soaking wet. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.